Hi, I'm the Specky Techie. I'm going to be reviewing this today. Not reviewing, unboxing. And a little basic overview of what you get in the box. So first of all, unbox the box. And what do you find? Another box. So we'll open this box up and we'll see what's inside. Wow. So straight away you've got your Corsair warranty guide. Corsair's customer support is like no other. It is one of the best, so bear that in mind. And you get a little bag. Wow. Little Corsair bag to store all your excess cables in, I would have thought. Is this modular? It is, yes. So that's to store your modular cables in that you're not using. And we've got some nice foam, high quality foam there, to keep the power supply safe during its transportation to you. So let's take the power supply out and let's have a look at what it looks and feels like. So immediately on the back of the power supply, where you'd have it plugged in and set up, you've got a nice little label to remind you that you have a Corsair product in your PC. It's the TX550M. My bad. It's got a standard on-off switch. Very nice fan. I think these fans are pretty quiet. I don't think they're that noisy. Wouldn't have thought so. With it being a Corsair power supply, it's going to last long, it's going to do your hardware pretty well, and what you've also got to remember is in a decent PC build, the power supply is the most important bit, because if you've got a cheap power supply and you start drawing too much electric, it can start going spiky and go all wrong, and sometimes when power supplies go pop, they can take out bits of other hardware in your PC. So you want to try and make sure that you get the best power supply you can. Some makes off my head: OCZ, Corsair, Cooler Master. Those are three makes that I would go for. I don't know much about Hyper no more. I've got a Hyper 580, the version 2 in that one. Not particularly a good power supply, they use cheap components in them. So on the back you can see the modules where you connect up your other bits of power supply bits. They do look a bit cheaply manufactured, but they're going to be inside your PC, and as long as they carry a current to your components, they do the job. If we look, Corsair have given it a nice grille sort of look to flush in with the fan protector, and it goes across there and gives it a really nice look and feel. The paint, I would say, looks really nice on it actually, but it also looks like the sort that's easily scratched. So do be careful whilst fitting it into those jagged edged cases, you know, like scratch it. Don't want to do that, because it was a really nice cover. Really nice. So let's have a look at the modules you get with it. These are in a sealed bag, so I cannot open them. So you get your PCI Express for your graphics cards. So you get two of them. You get some more Molex and SATA connectors. That's about it from there. So your motherboard connector is a standard 20 or 24 pin, depending on what your computer takes, so it's compatible with older motherboards. You've got your CPU, 8 pin, that is separatable somehow. Separable. There we go. That comes apart. Again, for the motherboards that only require the 4 pin, and then you got 8 pins. So you got some SATA and Molex there to just get you going, and if you need any more, you got your Molex there. Molex, you know, other leads there. And they very kindly give you a couple of other little bits and pieces. They give you some pads to go at the bottom of your case to, what I do believe, to stop vibration, limit vibration through the case. And they give you some screws and some cable ties to cable manage everything up. So let's put all that back in there. And we'll put all this back in its box. Nice and tidily. Pack it all away. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate and subscribe.